Hi everyone and welcome back to our safety channel. Today I'm talking about how to safely handle acetone at work. Acetone is a widely used solvent, but it comes with its own set of hazards. While it isn't highly toxic, it's extremely flammable and can cause skin and eye irritation if you're not careful. Let's break down the essential safety measures you need to know. First up, personal protective equipment, or PPE. When working with acetone, always wear milled butyl rubber gloves and a durable rubber apron to protect your skin. Don't forget to use chemical-resistant goggles to shield your eyes. And if your work requires extra face protection, make sure to use a face shield as well. By gearing up correctly, you reduce your risk of exposure and irritation while handling acetone. Next, let's talk about fire hazards. Acetone is highly flammable and can ignite even at room temperature. This means you need to eliminate all potential ignition sources in areas where acetone is stored or used. Spark-producing machinery, for example, should be kept well away. Also, be aware that mixing acetone with chemicals like hydrogen peroxide, nitric acid, or sulfur dichloride can lead to dangerous explosions. Always work in a controlled, non-windy environment since acetone vapors can travel and potentially ignite. In the event of an acetone fire, only use the recommended fire extinguishers: foam, carbon dioxide, or dry chemical. If water is used, it should be applied as a spray or fog to prevent the fire from spreading. Now let's discuss vapor control. Keeping acetone vapors at safe levels is crucial. For smaller tasks, opening windows or doors can provide enough ventilation. However, larger operations might require local exhaust systems to capture vapors right at the source. High vapor concentrations can lead to drowsiness or dizziness, so if you're working with acetone, always ensure that your work area is well ventilated. Finally, be prepared with proper first aid. If you accidentally inhale small amounts of acetone vapor, move immediately to fresh air. Should you experience persistent symptoms, or if a large amount is inhaled, get medical help right away. If acetone splashes into your eyes, flush them with plenty of running water, lifting your eyelids to ensure a thorough rinse for at least 15 minutes, then seek medical attention. And if acetone contacts your skin, wash it off with soap and water and remove any contaminated clothing as soon as possible. Remember, handling acetone safely means taking every precaution seriously, from wearing the right protective gear to managing fire risks and ensuring proper ventilation. Your safety is paramount, so always follow these guidelines and consult your supervisor if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your team. Stay safe out there and see you next time.